What is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and today we're going to Ratatouille World within Epcot. So it's this brand new ride that opened up here in Orlando, Florida, and I'm actually going with my mom. So she drove up and we're gonna both go for the full day. It's gonna be pretty cool, and I'm taking you guys along for the ride. So I stayed the night here with Sophia. Here are the remnants of her stay, the Red Bull as always. Of course I didn't make the bed, but I just packed everything up. Let's head downstairs and meet up with my mom. Now I think I'm also gonna be taking her in Sally to the park. So this is pretty funny because she does not like that car whatsoever. So I'm just doing my final checks and making sure that I didn't leave anything. See, too bad that I can't do any pulls because I still don't have my engine mounts. So those are coming in the mail because the company, which was like a specific Ford dealer that supplies Ford parts, messed up and sent me the complete wrong part. They apologized after I sent them an email, and they said they're gonna send me the engine mount bracket as soon as possible. What are you doing today, Mom?
Great.
Are you ready to go to the park?
Yes.
Are you excited to go in my car?
No.
No, that was expected. We all know that my mom loves to go in my car, so we're gonna get a reaction of
Can hardly wait.
of taking her in the car to the park, and then we're gonna go to the park. Mom, look, it's your favorite car.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, Mom, you ready for the cold start? Gonna be super loud, okay?
Great. Go.
Did you get scared?
Funny.
What'd you say, Mom? You've never heard of letting your car warm up?
Nope.
So you've never like heard of allowing the oil to make a full circulation through the engine before driving it?
Nope.
And this is why your cars don't last longer than a couple of years, Mom. Dorian, we need the navigation today. Take us to Epcot, please.
Okay.
So it looks like the hotel we were staying at was super close. We should be there soon. I need to give the camera to my mom and then get her reaction for some rev match downshifts and see what she thinks. Unfortunately, we can't be doing any pulls, but we can do some rev matches.
Really?
We're all good. Which way, Mom? Which way? Not here, you
Straight
said.
ahead.
Oh, too late. I'm already turning.
Oh, can't turn, Toby.
I just got done telling my mom why I wanted to get the Camaro and everything, and that this is not a comfortable car to daily drive. And what did you say?
It's awful. I hate it.
Oh my god. So the Disney employee just hooked me up because he said he liked the car, so he gave me the preferred parking for the price of the regular parking. That was pretty cool and nice of him. But we're here at Epcot now, so we just need to park and we'll get out. I think so. I don't know. I think they just want us to come all the way down here. But literally, this is right at the park.
What? What are you doing?
I'm gonna run you off the road.
I need a bathroom.
What? A bathroom? But I think we're gonna go to Ratatouille World first, because that's like the thing that I came here for, and then we're gonna do everything else. Unfortunately, we can't get any fast lane for that. Go to racetrack later so you can see what it's like to be in a crazy car.
I can do without it.
No. I'm gonna force her to go, boys. We just gotta have a lower wait time and then we'll go. Hey Mom, do you remember what this one here is? It used to be some Nordic ride with like a, yeah, but they changed it because it's new. Our dad used to take us to this. No, it wasn't Frozen. It was like a Nordic thing, and he took us all the time. This is France, and Ratatouille is from France, remember? So I think we're getting on the ride now, or getting in line. Shouldn't be too bad of a wait. I think it's like 65 minutes. It dropped a little bit. Oh, so the Beauty and the Beast thing, that's like a show. I don't need to go to that. And then over there is Ratatouille. It's pretty cool seeing that. Like, it just brings back all these memories from when I was a kid. Officially now entering the world of Ratatouille. Mom, you excited?
Yeah!
Pretty sure you're supposed to go straight and then to the right. Or maybe just straight. Yeah, you see the sign right there, Adventure? That's honestly pretty cool. Right before the ride, they have all the characters there with the champagne bottles. Mom, look. Remember the chef?
Yeah.
You're not getting on here, Mom. It's just like a... and all that. This is what this is. Not quite getting on the ride yet, but this is really cool.
A brief delay at this time. This will result in wait times that are longer than originally anticipated. We apologize for...
Finally, after like an hour plus wait. finally getting to go. Jesus Christ. Man, that was way too much of a wait. I'm talking, is it just us?
Pour le repas idéal. Coq au vin? Non.
This is so cool.
Simple omelet? Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it! Poussez-vous de là! Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Sprayed a whole bunch of stuff.
Dépêchez-vous, par ici. Oui, ma chérie. Hey, thanks for coming, everyone.
Yeah, I will say about this ride was that it was super short, so I don't know if it was worth the wait, but it was pretty cool. What'd you think, Mom?
I loved it.
This is the fountain that I was talking about earlier, so look at that, like all the rides and stuff, Remy. So we just got out of the main ride. We're gonna go hit up a few others, but this was pretty cool too. I saw this on the way out. You can see the ego guy from Ratatouille. He's on the wine bottles. So we're on ride number 2 now, and I don't know how long we're gonna stay here because it's way too freaking hot. But possibly like a couple more, maybe test track, because I want to see the C8 that they have on the floor in there. Yep, you can definitely tell this is what my mom did. I passed out on the ride because I was so tired, so I took a quick little nap. Oh my god. I think the green one, it was shorter. The last ride of the day, boys, I'm way too tired for this. And then we're actually going to be putting a new fuel hat on Sally. So I've been holding off this mod for a long time, but I'm going to do it after I get out of here. This is pretty cool, and if I'm being completely honest, I don't recall ever going on this ride when I was little. Maybe it's new. Not entirely sure.
The flight training area now.
Let's go.
Ask the uniformed crew member for directions to the green team. Lesson 10.
Welcome aboard, team.
Alrighty, so we're officially out of here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do the fuel hat today because I am way too tired, but Sally's looking pretty good. She needs a wash, and then probably I'm going to do the fuel hat tomorrow because I have like some school assignments to do, and then I have to catch up on some of my work videos. Alright, so fast forward a couple of days. I had a fantastic time at Epcot, but now we're going to put that new fuel hat in Sally's. So I did my school assignments, and now I finally have a chance to do so. I don't think it should be that bad, but let's not jinx myself because last time I said that it took me way longer than expected. What I ended up doing is installing the fuel hat video, and I think I'm gonna hold off on that video and separate it out as a different vlog. I felt like it was too cluttered, so I want to give you guys the Epcot vlog first, and then you're gonna see the fuel hat. So that was pretty cool, and that's just about gonna do it. I think I need to go to another theme park with my mom, maybe with Sophia next time she's back there. How you doing, Mr. Puppy? But if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the fuel hat video. I'll release that tomorrow. This is the moment of truth. Is the car gonna start up? It may take a few tries. Sophia, hit it. Wait, do you have the keys? Yeah, you do. Yeah?